What if humans possessed extraordinary abilities? Imagine sensing the unseen or moving at incredible speeds. Welcome to Animal Superpowers, unveiling nature's extraordinary abilities. From the deepest oceans to the highest skies, the animal kingdom is a realm of true marvels. Many creatures possess abilities that seem like superpowers, far beyond our wildest dreams. First, let's explore the incredible world of supersenses, where animals perceive reality in ways we can only imagine. Bats navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, emitting sounds and interpreting the echoes. This allows them to create a detailed sonic map of their surroundings, a true biological sonar system. Sharks possess a sixth sense, the ampulla of Lorenzini, allowing them to detect the electrical fields of prey. Even hidden beneath the sand, a fish's heartbeat generates a faint electrical pulse, an irresistible signal to a hungry shark. Eagles boast eyesight many times sharper than humans, spotting tiny prey from incredible heights. Their powerful vision allows them to pinpoint a rabbit from miles away, making them apex predators of the sky. These supersenses are vital for survival, enabling animals to find food, avoid danger, and thrive in their environments. Next, we delve into the realm of incredible strength and speed, where size is no barrier to power. Ants, though small, are proportionate powerhouses capable of lifting many times their own body weight. Their strength is a marvel of biomechanics, allowing them to build complex nests and forage efficiently. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. Its flexible spine, powerful legs, and non-retractable claws are perfectly adapted for explosive acceleration. Then there's the mantis shrimp, a creature with a punch so fast it creates cavitation bubbles. This strike is faster than a bullet, generating shockwaves that stun or kill its prey. These animals demonstrate that nature's engineering can far surpass human capabilities in raw power and speed. Our journey continues with masters of disguise and deception, animals that vanish before your very eyes. Chameleons are renowned for their rapid color changes, not just for camouflage, but also for communication. Their specialized skin cells, chromatophores, allow them to instantly adapt to their surroundings or express mood. Octopuses are the ultimate shapeshifters, blending seamlessly into any environment with their dynamic skin. They can mimic textures and colors, transforming their appearance in milliseconds to evade predators or ambush prey. And then there are stick insects, masters of passive mimicry, perfectly imitating twigs and leaves. Their incredible resemblance to plant matter makes them virtually invisible to predators, a simple yet effective defense. These deceptive abilities are crucial for survival, offering protection and hunting advantages in a competitive world. Finally, we explore regeneration and extreme survival, abilities that defy our understanding of life itself. Starfish can regrow entire limbs, and in some cases, even a whole new body from a single detached arm. This remarkable regenerative capacity allows them to recover from injury and even reproduce asexually. The axolotl, a unique salamander, can regenerate limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain and spinal cord. Their ability to heal without scarring makes them a subject of intense scientific study, holding secrets to human regeneration. Then there are tardigrades, or water bears, microscopic creatures that can survive the vacuum of space. They endure extreme temperatures, radiation, and dehydration by entering a cryptobiotic state, essentially pausing life. These biological mechanisms showcase nature's incredible resilience and capacity for survival against all odds. From super senses to incredible strength, masterful disguise, and extreme survival, the animal kingdom is full of wonders. Each creature, with its unique superpower, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Let these extraordinary abilities inspire us to appreciate and protect the rich biodiversity of our planet. Join us in celebrating the true superheroes of the natural world. Their powers are real, and they are magnificent.